Day to today, the weather looks good, so we might head off to Brunei Island or Port Arthur. Not yet decided. Let's see. What do you guys prefer?
I guess Brunei Island. Brunei Island.
So we'll go there. Thank you for the breakfast. Amazing breakfast. I'll show you. Wait. What Tanvesh is eating, that is the breakfast. Bread, eggs and mushroom. For veg people, unfortunately, there are very less options, but it's fine.
Mushrooms are there. Yeah.
But mushrooms are veg?
Are they?
अरे हाँ करना
हो
बोल
ना
भाई.
आता काय बोलू शकतो मी.
Change again. We are heading to Port Arthur now. It's like 2 hours drive. It's 9:30. So I'll just leave. I'm going to drive, so I won't be able to shoot the road, but hopefully someone else will. Let's see. View today is amazing. The weather has cleared up, so it's good for us. Let's leave Port Arthur. 1.5 hours drive. The weather is hopefully better now. Let's see if it's lives like that. So we're heading to Port Arthur now. The road is amazing. Speed limit is 110. I don't know how. The roads are smaller and it's difficult to drive here a bit. Not that much, but a bit. But it's fine.
गणेने आता जस्ट ह्याला तामिनी घाट बोलून टाकलेलं आहे त्यामुळे आपण आता हे टाकणार नाही तो.
This is the connection between Port Arthur and the main
island. Yeah. So
Oh, it looks amazing.
the island where Hobart City is. So now this is how it looks. Yeah. And I think that's the island where we are going, and like it will be there's Port Arthur over there. Oh, so we were
Found
mistaken.
another bridge.
Yeah.
I don't know what bridge this is, but this is also good.
A similar kind of bridge, yeah.
This is not a bridge. ये bridge नहीं है.
ब्रिज नाही आहे म्हणजे काय आहे ते.
कमरिया हिला दे
3 song.
हाय रे मेरी जान
अरे काय? So much mutton over here that I will eat in my lifetime. तिथे थांबायलाच लागणार आहे तसंही तुम्हाला. हे बघा ना. Just stopped here for a scenic lookout. What is it called? This is a beach apparently, but yeah, this is the lookout. And then we have just stopped here. Port Arthur is still 50 kilometers from here. So we are heading to another lookout that is called the Tasman Sea Lookout. You cannot see it behind the trees now, but we are heading there 1 kilometer ahead. We are just reaching there in 1 minute.
The look.
We are here at the Tasman Sea Lookout. This is really amazing. Just taking the photos over there. We are heading over here to get something. We are here again, but this side it looks amazing, much more better than that side. For Instagram over here with that background, everyone is clicking photos. We have the gimbal here as well. So hopefully the vlogs will be stabilized after this. Let's see going forward. So Port Arthur is still 30 kilometers from here. We just came here to have a look at this, what it was, and we have made absolutely the right decision. Feel about this place.
Thank you for recording me. I feel it's so pretty.
Good decision to come here.
Yes, good decision. Thank you for bringing us.
The information for this, it looks good. If you want to watch, just read this. So we are just clicking a lot of photos now for Instagram, for YouTube, for everything. Let's see, this is going good. Good decision. सबका फोटो सेशन हो गया जी सर. Yes. अभी 12 बज गए. पोर्ट आर्थर अभी तक पहुंचे नहीं और 30 किलोमीटर है यहाँ से पोर्ट आर्थर. 30 किलोमीटर. कैसे लगी दूसरी गाड़ी?
एक नंबर भाई.
बोल नहीं सकते कैमरा पे, but we know what you're talking about. This road is so good. This is one of the best roads that I've driven. Left side, the view is still amazing. भाई क्या करते हो यार?
He waves bop. मध्ये येऊन एकदम
भाई तुला वाटतं
at the Port Arthur historic site. Let's see what's there to explore. We are not sure what tour we are going to take, but I'm excited. This is how it is. Now let's go and explore inside. It's basically a town that we are going to explore like all the way. Let's see now. Standard essentials tour. We are just going to explore around now. Let's see now. Magnets here as well, but I already bought mine. This looks amazing. I think we also have a harbor guided tour from there. We're just going to explore the different buildings. There are a lot of buildings here. We have taken the visitor guide. Let's see now. Photogenic places over here. Now we have finally got the gimbal, and now there will be stabilization when we shoot. So let's explore. Let's see. More photos, more photo shoots for him. Now he has to take a profile on Shaadi.com, so that's the reason. Age is caught up to him. This place looks amazing. It's so good. What's your opinion about this place, guys? What's your opinion about this place? Do you like it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Yeah, we are still about to. Yes. This looks so photogenic, so good. It's like we can go on clicking so many photos, but we can't really click so many photos because we don't. I don't know. Basically, like the old buildings. This is a government cottage. People used to live here. This is cool though. And there are different ghost tours available here as well, which is really amazing as well. We are just clicking photos over there. Click, bro. What is this? Because the view is amazing in the background. This is the view. Not these guys, but the view behind. This is another place. Oh, this place is actually quite big. Another building which is similar to Unimelp. Oh, this is. Don't you think this is similar to Unimelp building?
All art building.
Exactly.
Australia is there.
This was the post office of the Port Arthur, and this post office is technically open, so we're just going to explore this now. This is the post office on the side, and they have a lot of more trade collections as well. Oh, they have handcuffs as well. This is handcuffs. Oh yeah. Cricket bat. Amazing. This machine as well, the phone linkage machine. This is such an amazing. I think this is the postmaster's office. Because this place is huge for a post office. Post office was really good. It was a unique experience. Now we need to head to the cruise because it's at 1:40 and it's now 1:15 and we have to walk a fair bit. But this place is amazing. Do you like it? Yeah. It is quite huge. So I don't think we would have actually enough time to cover everything. We'll try to cover as much as we can. I think that's the main building over there. So we'll be heading to those sides after the cruise. Main prison over there. We are going to head over there after the cruise. Let's go now. We're just going to walk for a while. The cruise, we are just heading there. This looks amazing. The cruise is going to be good. I think 2 days I needed to explore this place because this place is really huge. This is basically the most prominent building on the island, which is the most important. And that's the cruise. We are just going to head there. Here on the cruise, we are on the top deck. We are so excited. Let's hope it's going to be good now. The view from here is also pretty amazing. So good. And there is some information about the prison. That's the Island of the Dead, or Isle of the Dead, whatever it's called. So I'm not sure the path of the cruise, but let's see how it goes.
Was the 1st century British control the convict was
the Isle of the Dead, where the convicts were buried and also the military people were buried.
Just to interrupt our commentary for a moment, we will soon be docking at Isle of the Dead and we have some visitors on board who will be disembarking forward to arrive. If those people
And
please
if
have their
you
tickets
just
ready,
keep on
we'll be
traveling
checking
onto
out
this side,
to
we're
vessel.
going to reach
Also
Antarctica.
ask if
Stopped at the Island of the Dead, but this tour was pretty much amazing. everyone is done with their photo shoot. Everyone is so good. That's the Isle of the Dead. We're just waiting here for like 5-10 minutes and then we'll be off our way. So we're just going to go there. Our cruise is done and we are just exploring. The cruise was amazing. How did you like the cruise?
Yeah, first time experience, but it was good.
Tanvish clicked so many photos. See on his Instagram. Yes. Tanvish T. Follow, like, share, subscribe my channel as well. The jail for this particular Port Arthur, it has 136 prison floors. Sorry, 136 cells. And the problem with this is something similar to the cellular jail in Tihar. Not Tihar, Andaman and Nicobar.
Oh, on an island.
Yes, similar vibes. This is the standard size of a prison cell over here. Wrong. This is the size of a standard cell here, which is quite small and crazy if you think about it. Top end of the same prison. We are just exploring around here. I don't think it's the same thing again and again, so I don't think I'll shoot much over here. Basically the guard tower. This is the information about that. There are different buildings over here, multiple buildings. The same way. The main commander's house. I think it's open, so I'll just go and have a look inside how it is. This is amazing. Postcards. The main room, and apparently this house is haunted. It's amazing though. Details are so good.
The place is haunted.
It's a room for. It's really amazing. The setup. This was really amazing. This was one of the best experiences on
the whole
this.
whole trip.
Apart from the cruise.
Yes.
And there are 4 spirits in this house.
This is totally a different thing, bro. It's not like cruise is a different thing, and this is proper haunted house, so you have a different experience.
Good experience though.
Yes.
The watchtower to explore it from the inside. This is a brief depiction of how this place is.
Not the whole place. It's like quarter of the whole place.
Oh.
Yep.
The guard tower is so good. No, actually it's good, yeah. Trail that we are obviously not going to do because we are short on time. But there's a telescope over there, and this looks low-key European because it is a European theme based architecture. But this is kind of the entire view from, I think this is kind of the highest point.
Yes.
Yes, it looks good. Basically a sign to call off for help. You can attach bells over there and then you have to pull it over from here. Of taking photos through this. For some reason the cameras are really the photos are really good. Our friends are waiting over there as well. And then we have to go now because everyone is very hungry and it's going to rain now. The final stop for today. Oh fuck. We are just heading there to check how it is. I don't think it's anything is there, but just for the sake of going, we are going now. Just heading out, and then we spotted this cute cottage, and this is finally the final stop.
Probably.
No, not probably, because everyone is waiting now. They found this as well, so
Probably, I told you.
we'll just head over there as well. I think that's the asylum.
Yes.
A cottage, which is like this. And we did not spot that before. We are going to head that, and this is, I think we need to head over back there. And museum, so we are just heading.
That's a drink bunda.
This is just artifact. This is just a depiction of how things would have been. Items over here. Then this is something that we showed you before. Different artifacts. Many items over here related to jail. Basically the entire jail, how it would have been. I think you can open this. I'm not wrong. But this is how it is. This is the exact one. That one is the recreation. And this is the entry for the prison guard. This is the watch lookout. This court here. It's really good. The room is
And then you have the rules, and you have a compartment over here to keep your things for the prisoners.
Was better experience than the other one. What do you think? The other guys missed it because they went for food. Basically, solitary confinement, punishment cell as you call it, was no bulbs, nothing, just a quiet, dark room. You cannot see anything. Vishmi, how do you like this one?
It was an isolation room, bro, but really good.
Yeah.
Good experience.
But now I think we are done. We are heading out now. It was a really good experience. And then you have the accommodation spaces over there as well if you want to live here for a day or two. So that's fine. Now let's head back. Oh, waterfall. Not waterfall. Waterfall. I don't know. Canyon.
Canyon भी बोल सकते हैं. Canal. Water tunnel.
Guys missed the tour, but you look visibly tired now. Because everyone is very hungry. Are you guys excited to eat? Yes. Let's go now. And the weather is still bad, but we are heading out now. Let's go. Volcano burger. He has ordered the filet burger, which is good. Let's see now how it is. It's really good. I liked it. Now see. How is it? Looks really good, bro. I'll help you finish it, don't worry. This was really good. I like the burgers.
Really good fish and chips and everything.
Fish and chips were so fresh. Did you like your burger? It was so fresh. We never get to experience such fresh burgers, unfortunately, in Melbourne. But both Arthur General Store and Takeaways, good place. If you're here, definitely visit. It's 5:30 in Hobart, but it's still so dark. Can you guess it's 5:30? Yes, so we are just heading home now. We'll go to Coles. Nothing to shoot now. Same road. The drive was really bad because it was raining. It was pitch dark. How did it feel? Trolley. So we'll just do shopping. We'll go home. We'll cook biryani, and then we'll be back. Yes. I don't think there's anything interesting happening. Because he is getting married in a couple of months. Just have the food now, and then this is it. Let's see how the food is. I think this is it. Tomorrow we are heading to Bruny Island, and we'll see how it goes. Bye.